fine, but there's a problem. This here, if you take this off, there is a little something here. It's stuck now, let me just get it out. I put a piece of paper there so this thing here, when this goes in, this has a little white thing sticking there. When this goes in here, and you click it in, that thing there is supposed to hold it down, but it doesn't. So if I push down, then it works. I let go, it comes up. It's meant to be the protection that when you're using the blender part, this doesn't work. The blender part works. This button, when you push it in, see, that's not working. So this in here is not pushing it down enough. Switch it off, put that on like that and click it in. It's a little bit, look, there's a little bit of movement there. But if I turn it on, it won't work, and if I press it down, then it goes. Don't need much pressing, just a little bit. And you saw earlier when I put the cardboard in, and so maybe if you can bend this down or stick a little something there to make that a little bit longer so that it works. But otherwise, the machine itself works fine. But it does have that fault.